Good morning, students. This is Suman Jaswal, your English teacher. How are all of you? Good? I'm fine too, thank you. So, today I am going to take a spoken English class, and we are going to do some very interesting sentences which you are going to relate with yourself, about yourself, how you're going to present your views or your doing or what you do. Okay, so it is basically about yourself. We need to know so much about ourselves, and also we need to speak it out. We know about ourselves the best, but how to speak, how to say, that is important. So today we are going to do a practice so that when anybody asks you, you are not at a loss of words, you are easily able to answer. Okay, so let's do these sentences about one's own self, that is about yourself. How are you going to answer, or how are you going to speak? Okay, so let's get started. Now, this is write about yourself, or speak, write or speak about yourself. Now I will be giving you a clue, and then you have to fill in yourself. For example, I say, I've never, this is a short form of I have. Like I had told you earlier in my videos also, that whenever we speak contracted form. I've means I have. I've never, anything that you have never done, how will you say? I've never tried, because you are using here have. So that means you have to use verb in the third form with that. You have to use the verb, whichever verb you use, it will be in the third form. So I've never ridden a horse. Ridden, ride, rode, ridden. Third form of the verb. I've never ridden a horse. Or try another one. I have never, you can use swum. Swim, swam, swum. I've never swum. Try another one. I've never been out alone. I've never been out alone. Try another one. I've never stayed. See, we are all using the verb in the third form. Stayed out late. Stayed out late means 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Okay, so things that you have never done, how will you say? I've never stayed out late. I've never been out alone. Means I always go with somebody, my father, mother, sister, or my friend or someone. I never go out alone. I've never ridden a horse. Okay, something that you have never done. I've never swum. You have not done swimming. You have not learned swimming. I've never driven a car. Okay, so anything that you have never done, okay, you will be speaking like this. I have never ridden a horse. I have never swum. I have never been out alone. I have never stayed out late. I have never driven a car, and you can keep on adding in your list all the things that you have never done. I have never traveled alone. I have never gone abroad. So I means I have. So have we always use verb in the third form. So I have never traveled abroad. Okay. So you can, I've never climbed a mountain. Okay, so you can use but anything when you have to say that you have never done, so you can speak in this manner. Okay, now let's go to the other one. The next is I've many times means something that you have done many times. Like I have, now think of those things which you have done. Again here I is with have. So verb will come with third form. I have, same thing you can say, I have travelled alone many times. I have travelled alone many times. I have gone to the market many times. I have stayed out late many times. I have driven a car many times. Okay, I have been to London many times. I have seen most of India many times. I have been to Shimla many times. I have been to the mall many times. Okay, anything that you have done more than once, twice, you can say about it. I have gone out with my friends many times. I have eaten out many times. I have gone to a restaurant many times. I have gone to the mall many times. Okay, so something that you never did here we told her, and now here that you have done many times. It is nothing that you have not done. Okay, then I haven't. Haven't means have not. Again, verb will come third form. I haven't eaten yet. Anything in the present that you have not done, okay? You how will you say? I haven't taken a bath. I haven't eaten breakfast. I haven't studied. I haven't washed my hair. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't called my friend. I haven't watched TV. I haven't read the newspaper. Anything in the present for today which you have not done, how will you say? I haven't read the newspaper. I haven't helped my mother. I haven't finished my work. Okay? I haven't gone for a walk. So all the time we will use verb in the third form because we are using have. I haven't eaten yet. I haven't watched TV. I haven't finished my work. I haven't helped my mother. I haven't taken a bath. Okay? So anything in the present which you have not done, you will speak like this. Okay? Now next one. I will. Now what is the short form of I will? I means I will. So now I will means something that you are going to do in the future. Then you will say will. So I help you. I will, and with will we always use verb in the first form. So I'll help you. I'll do my work. I'll eat my breakfast. I'll go to the market. I'll wash my hair. I'll take a bath. Because I means I will, and with this we always use verb in the first form. So I'll wash my hair. Wash is the verb in the first form. I'll wash my hair. Anything that you have not done but you are going to do in the future. So I'll wash my hair. I'll take a bath. But we will use verb in the first form. Okay? I'll take a bath. I'll help you. I'll eat my lunch. I'll go to the market. I'll meet my friends. I'll buy vegetables. I'll buy fruits. I'll bring lots of chocolates. I'll buy lots of chocolates. Okay? So we will use anything that we are going to do in future, we will use I. I means I will. So in the future, and we will use verb in the first one. So what I'm trying to tell you is that something about your own self, when you're saying, you should be able to speak out. I've never ridden a horse. I've never done this. I've never told a lie. I've never been dishonest. I've never broken a rule. I've never jumped the light. Okay? I've never driven without a license. I've never parked at the wrong place. I've never thrown litter on the road. I've never dirtied the road. Okay? I've never told a lie to my parents. I've never done anything wrong. Okay? Because this is about yourself. So which you have never done. So you will speak like this. Okay? I've never been out alone. I've never spoken to strangers. I've never spoken. Spoke. I've never spoken to strangers. I've never made friends with strangers. I've never watched a movie alone in the PVR. I've never gone out alone. I've never been late out of the house. Okay? I've never stayed out late. I've never been out late. Okay? I've never been out alone. So we use like that. I've traveled alone many times. Now something that you have done. I've traveled alone many times. I've gone to the mall many times. I have met my friends many times. I have watched movies many times. Okay, so anything that you have done, or it is or it's a thing that you do often, then you say in this I have. When you have not, then you say I have never. And which you have done, I have. Okay, I've always been on time. I've always told the truth. I've always obeyed my parents. I've always helped others. I've always spoken politely. I've always tried to be honest. Okay? So, things that you heard. Then, I haven't eaten yet. Like you said, I have, then here, I haven't. I haven't eaten yet. I haven't taken a bath yet. I haven't washed my hair yet. I haven't completed my work. I haven't helped my mother. I haven't finished the work. I haven't completed the work. I haven't studied today. Okay? I haven't watched the TV today. I haven't gone for a walk today. I haven't seen my friend. I haven't spoken to my friend. I haven't called my friend. Okay? And then I for future. I will. I'll wash my hair. I'll press my clothes. I'll meet my friends. I'll help my mother. I'll do my work. I'll finish my work. I'll complete my work. I'll go to the market. I'll buy fruits and vegetables. I'll go to the park. I'll go for a morning walk. I'll go for an evening walk. I'll go to the restaurant. I'll go for a movie. Okay, so anything for the future we will use I. Okay, so when you're talking about yourself, what you are doing in the present, in the future, okay, so you need to speak like this. I've never, I haven't, and I. Okay, so if you speak in this manner, keeping your tenses in mind, that I'm using have, I have to use verb in the third form, you will not go wrong. I'm using future, will, I need to use verb in the first. I will got my book. Wrong, because got is the second form of the verb, and with will we use the first form. I will get my book, not I will got my book. So when you keep that in mind, you will speak correct English. There will be no grammatical error in your sentence. So that means you have spoken so well. Okay, just by keeping these little rules in your mind. Okay, that I'm speaking have, then I need to use verb in the third form. I'm using will, I need to use verb in the first form. Okay, so just keep this in mind and you are ready to fly and speak fluently. Okay, students, so today I was giving you a spoken English class in which you are talking about yourself in the manner that you want to speak, that something that you never have done, something that you do often, and something that you will do in the future, how you are going to speak about it. Okay, so that is the way how the formation of sentences will be, and how you will be able to speak correctly. Okay, so this was a practice of speaking very simple about sentences about your own self and how you're going to describe them. So thank you, students. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and God bless all of you.